Hey everyone, this is Gary Kay. We are here at the Extron Experience Center here in Las Vegas, and we're previewing all the new products that Extron's come out with, and here's one they literally introduced yesterday and is already shipping. I'm here with Derek Junkus, who's the Director of Product Marketing for Extron. Derek, thank you for joining me.
Thanks for being here and spending time with us. I appreciate it.
It is a feat to introduce a product. Most companies won't do that. You know, they'll introduce a product and wait 30 days or 60 days or even 6 months to ship it. But you actually launched these yesterday.
Yeah, these are our new TLS line of touch-link scheduling panels. They have a 10-inch model, a 1035M, and we also have an 835M as well. They come in different colors, but what I really wanted to show you is the way that they can interact with other products from Extron. So for one example, one request we see a lot is that, hey, I want to schedule something, I want a notification outside the room, so maybe I want to come and I want to reserve a room. So I'm going to reserve this room. And the panel inside the room has now been reserved as well. So we have this way through an API to be able to communicate to what's happening inside the room so that we can go ahead and we can change the status of a meeting both inside and outside the room.
I also wanted to notice that this is actually changing too, so
exactly.
The external notifications.
So these products were just announced as shipping as well. These are our SSI 100 models. We have wall mount and ceiling mount models. So what we're showing here is that the idea is that these are actually clients of things like Microsoft Exchange, Teams, Google. So these can be connected even though they don't have a physical display on them.
Yeah.
These can be connected to Exchange and be scheduled as well. So these can be your status indicators, for example, to what's been scheduled for a space or a room.
And what's nice about this is with a single button you can end a meeting so that you don't lose the access to the room. So if you have a meeting ends early, now you're notifying visually that the room is available.
Absolutely, and then in another mode of these products, we can also connect them to things like control systems. In fact, we're giving a demonstration part of the other office with an on-air light. So you start a recording, maybe you're in a podcasting room, and you want to indicate, hey, my recording is started. So we can change visually the status of that indicator. And we have a builder on our website for these SSI 100s where you can actually go in and do custom engraving. So you can design what goes on these custom lenses.
Okay.
They actually ship with the small shorty lenses, but you can actually get custom engraved lenses for these so you can put the messaging on there that you want.
Oh, that's very interesting. And obviously I've seen different colors, so it's full color.
Yeah, these are full colors, whatever color you can imagine. In room scheduling mode, we're still going to use red and green, so we're going to use two modes, whether I'm releasing or extending the meeting. But that's kind of the cool feature of the products. This is an extension of our room scheduling line that we've had for quite some time, but these are the latest versions.
And it was just introduced yesterday, and it's on the website at extron.com under the room scheduling section. And of course, we're going to go around and shoot individual product videos on all the new products here at the Extron Experience Center here at InfoComm 2026. To see all those videos, just go to ravepubs.com/infocom and type in Extron in the video search window, or in case you can always go to extron.com.